Alrighty, this is going to be the last sizing guide you're going to ever need for Essentials Fear of God hoodies. Hey everybody, I'm Massimo. Welcome back to the only channel on YouTube that covers in-depth videos of cars, fashion, and lifestyle, the Show Me channel. Today, we are going to be doing another Fear of God Essentials sizing guide. I still get a ton of questions on how to size this thing, so this is going to be the last guide you're ever going to need for the Fear of God Essentials hoodies. So without further ado, be sure to like and share for that YouTube algorithm, as well as subscribe. Any support would just be awesome. And let's get right into the guide. Alrighty, Essentials Fear of God. Why are they so hard to size? Well, that's because they are naturally oversized. That's right, these hoodies come bigger than what they are expected to be. They also have drop shoulders, a boxy body, they have a slight crop to the length, and they are just absolutely thick with heavy cotton. So let me go and put this hoodie now on body to show you guys what I'm even talking about. Jesus Christ, this thing's an absolute parachute. Alrighty, here's the Essential Fear of God hoodie on body. So for sizing reference, I'm about 6 foot and 155 pounds, and my true to size is medium. And this hoodie is medium. So you can see, even going true to size looks pretty baggy. So I can understand why is it so freaking hard to size this hoodie up, man. And I don't blame you, man. This thing can be quite tricky sometimes. I'm gonna really quickly put up a sizing chart right here for the styling. So if you guys want a clean fit, I would size down. Like if you size down, that's how you're gonna get the normal hoodie look. Very minimalistic, very on Fear of God Essentials like, but you're gonna get a clean, natural hoodie look if you just size down. Now if you want just the standard Fear of God Essentials styling, you know, that you want to go oversized, a little baggy, you don't really mind that, just go true to size. Nothing wrong with that, you know, I kind of dig the styling myself. Now if you want that Billie Eilish super oversized look, man, go a size up. That's how you get that TikTok aesthetic and everything. You know, just don't be around anything windy, dude, because you will inflate and might blow away. Also, a thing to note is for layering, if you're trying to wear something over this, I would highly recommend you go a size down, because if you go true to size, it might be a little too baggy to wear a puffer. I'm now going to show you guys a little bit of example. Here is my puffer, and this is true to size, and yeah, I can already feel my arms cramping up and everything. So if you're trying to layer this hoodie, once again, just go a size down. And then also, if you guys think about sizing down twice, I would not recommend it. Why? Is because the sleeves will be too short and the crop will be too high on you. This thing already has like a semi-low crop. You can tell by, you know, just raising your arms and everything. And if you size down twice, it's gonna come up on your belly button. Unless you're trying to go for that crop top look and the Fear of God Essentials hoodie, then go for it, but I wouldn't recommend it. So do not size down twice. Alrighty, what size should I even get, man? Well, I got you covered. Once again, here is the sizing guide for height and weight. If you are like me, about 150, 170 pounds, and you're just about 6 foot, get a medium. If you're over 6 foot and weigh about 170 to 190, get a large. If you're a really tall guy and weigh a lot more, get an XL. And for you little guys out there, I would definitely, and if people are under like 5'7" or so, 130 pounds, 150-ish, I would get a small. And this is just the standard sizing for the standard look of the Essentials Fear of God. So the bottom line is, guys, Essentials Fear of God runs really, really massive. If you want a clean, everyday fit, you're going to have to size down. But if you like the styling in general, go true to size. And if you really want to get that nice aesthetic, go a size up. Just do not size down twice, because be mindful that the shoulders are dropped and they will creep on you. The sleeves are short and the crop is a little low. Other than that, I think that's all you're gonna need to know to how to size a Fear of God Essentials hoodie. What'd you guys think about it? Comment down below your opinion, like and share for that YouTube algorithm, and last but certainly not least, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.